Funny Toys and brave Nastya are getting ready for an exciting new adventure. They're gonna go to the mall, but not just any mall. Oh no, this is a magical mall where all the toys come to life after dark. But wait, they can only stay there for 1 hour because if they stay any longer, they might get trapped forever. Funny Toys and brave Nastya arrive at the mall and it looks like a ghost town. There are mannequins everywhere. Wait, what's that? Is that a skeleton? And why does it look like he's dancing? Is this mall haunted? Or maybe all the toys have come alive and now we're inside a real-life horror movie. Suddenly, Funny Toys sees something. A little girl left her teddy bear here. And even though she might come back soon, the teddy bear isn't very happy being alone. So Funny Toys decides to cheer him up with a joke. He pulls out his harmonica and starts playing the spookiest song he knows. Teddy bear screams and runs away. It's too scary. Maybe it's better for him to be alone. Brave Nastya sees how scared the teddy bear is and decides to help. She sits down and starts telling him stories about Funny Toys and how much fun they have together. After hearing all these exciting stories, the teddy bear feels much better. He likes brave Nastya. He wants to be friends with her. Funny Toys is also very happy because now there will be one more friend to play with. And together they will go look for the others. They find Barbie having a tea party with a skeleton. There must be a lot of tea in hell. But when Barbie sees brave Nastya and the others, she tells them to go away. She doesn't want to have fun anymore. Why is she so upset? Funny Toys asks. Barbie explains that her dream house was broken into last night and all her beautiful dresses were stolen. Now she has nothing to wear. Brave Nastya comforts her friend and promises to help her find some new dresses. While Funny Toys distracts the skeleton with a joke, brave Nastya goes shopping with Barbie. In the first store they see beautiful long dresses, but they're way too long for Barbie. And in the next store, all the dresses are too short. And finally, in the last store, brave Nastya finds the perfect dress for Barbie. It's a beautiful pink color. And even though it's not exactly her size, brave Nastya knows she make it work. When Barbie sees the dress, she's over the moon. Thank you, brave Nastya. You're the best friend a girl could ask for. You know, you can always count on me, says brave Nastya. Suddenly, the lights turn on and they hear kids running around. The mall is opening. Barbie and the others have to hide before they get caught. Funny Toys hides in a dressing room with brave Nastya. Teddy Bear climbs onto a shelf and the skeleton hides under a pile of clothes. Barbie decides to check out one last store, but when she opens the door, she sees something strange. All the shoes have come to life and they're running around the store. One shoe even tries to bite her. Yikes! It looks like this place is even crazier than it seems. A brave Nastya quickly hides behind a rack of clothes. She doesn't want to be bitten by a shoe. Funny Toys peeks out from behind the clothes rack and starts making funny faces. The shoes stop running around and start staring at him. What's so funny? One shoe asks. Funny Toys says that he's been looking for someone just like you to tell a joke to. Then he takes a deep breath and says, why don't shoes ever tell jokes? Pause for the punchline. Are you ready? Shoes never laugh. Get it? Shoes never laugh. The shoes burst out laughing. They haven't heard a good joke in ages. They join in on Funny Toys' laughter. And everyone is having so much fun until suddenly, ouch! Barbie steps on a Lego and it hurts so much she almost faints. Funny Toys quickly takes out his magic wand and waves it over her. Poof, the pain is gone. He's a real doctor, you know, and not just any doctor, the funniest doctor in the world. Barbie is so grateful. She gives Funny Toys a big hug and thanks him for saving her. The friends continue exploring the mall and they find Ken stuck in a fitting room. He was trying on some new clothes, but he got trapped and now can't get out. Funny Toys immediately takes out his magic wand. Poof, the walls become thin as paper and Ken can easily escape. He thanks Funny Toys and they all continue on their journey. They find a scary sight waiting for them. A giant spider made out of old hangers is blocking the way. Barbie is terrified and hides behind brave Nastya, but Funny Toys isn't afraid. He takes out his bug net and pretends to catch the spider. Hey, spider, spider, it's time to go. The spider gets scared and runs away. Brave Nastya and the others cheer for Funny Toys. He's such a hero. But then they hear a voice. Who's there? Who's in my mall? The friends quickly hide. They don't know who's there, but they don't want to be found. Suddenly, the ground starts shaking. They hear heavy footsteps approaching. The friends hold their breath and hope they're not seen. But then the footsteps stop. Someone is right in front of them. And when they look up, they see a giant skeleton. He must be the king of the mall. He looks mad. I said, "Who's in my mall?" The friends jump in surprise. Brave Nastya steps forward and says, "Hello, Mr. Skeleton King. We didn't mean to come here. We can leave right now." "Are you sure you want us to go?" the Skeleton King asks. "Of course," says Barbie. "We don't want to bother you." But the Skeleton King stops her. "Wait, I haven't had any visitors in ages. I'm getting bored. You can stay here, but I'm gonna have to give you a test. If you pass, you can go home. But if you fail, you'll have to stay in my mall forever." "Deal," says Funny Toys. "We accept your challenge." The Skeleton King smiles. "Very well, then let the games begin." The first game is to cross the spider web without getting caught, but there's a problem. All the webs are stuck together and it's gonna be impossible to get through. "Don't worry," says Funny Toys, "I've got a plan." He takes out his magic wand and waves it over the webs. Poof, the webs disappear and the path is clear. The friends are safe. Next, the Skeleton King leads them into the shoe store. To pass the second test, they need to put on these shoes and dance without stepping on the lines. But the shoes keep switching places, and it is so hard to keep track of which ones are yours. Barbie takes off her shoe and puts it on the wrong foot. Ouch! Funny Toys quickly waves his magic wand. Poof, the shoes are fixed. Barbie thanks Funny Toys and they all take their places again. This time Brave Nastya won't step on the lines. She closes her eyes and starts dancing. She's so graceful. The other friends join in and soon they're all dancing together. The Skeleton King watches and smiles. These humans aren't so bad after all. Finally, it's time for the last game. The Skeleton King takes them to the food court and challenges them to eat all this food. But there's a twist. If they throw up, they lose. Funny Toys thinks for a moment. He takes out his magic wand and waves it over the food. Poof, the food turns into cotton candy. Yum! They all love cotton candy. And while it doesn't fill you up, it also won't make you sick. The friends eat and eat and eat, but they still have so much cotton candy left. Suddenly, Teddy Bear has an idea. They can share the cotton candy with all the other toys. That's a great idea, says Brave Nastya. Together, they'll finish all the cotton candy in no time. And the Skeleton King watches with a smile. You may leave my mall, but before you go, I want you to know that you're welcome back anytime. Thanks, says Funny Toys. We really had fun. And then they all waved goodbye to the Skeleton King and headed home. They learned that even though it's fun to play at the mall, it's even more fun to spend time with friends.